Here we are today to understand the Equipercentile method that a DT has come out with. We'll try to find out how a Equipercentile method works out to calculate the CET marks. So I have started off with maybe forming a small table which will try to make you understand how the percentiles are calculated. Total number of students. So based on this particular formula, if you keep on looking at, there were 4 slots in the exam this year. Slot 1, slot 2, slot 3 and slot 4. Total marks were 200. First slot there were 19 mistakes, 18 mistakes, 11 wrong questions, 11 wrong questions. So just listed down the marks of students in the slot. Say the first 6 rankers had 180, 178, 177, 174, 174, 173 and there were total 755 students. So based on this formula, which is normally used in IBPS exams, the first person will get 100 percentile. All the 4 slots, first ranker will get 100 percentile. Now the second ranker in say slot 1, who has scored 178, if you calculate by this formula, you get 99.86. Third one, 99.73. Fourth, as both of them have got same marks, so both will have 99.6 percentile. And last one, 99.33. Same way in the second, the first ranker will be 100. Second, 99.87 based on this formula. Now if you look at it, the second ranker in slot 2 has slightly higher percentile than second ranker in slot 1 because there are more number of students in slot 2 than slot 1. This will not make a big difference in the actual CET because the number of students are huge and the difference will not make a huge difference. So ideally the second ranker and third ranker will get a similar percentiles and there may not be any difference in the percentiles. Here again the third rankers, 2 of them have got same, so both will get the same percentile. 5th, 6th. These are all indicative, so don't look at it as the actual number of people written the test. I'm just trying to explain you how to go about calculating. Same way for third slot. Though the highest is 185, which is more than the other slots, but you'll get the same percentile as others, so it will not be actually be higher than the others. So 100 percentile will remain the same and will not make a difference. So your percentile will be calculated based on students in your slots and not in other slots. Same way with fourth, though the rank 1 has even lower mark than the 6th rank in slot 3, but still he has got 100 percentile. Say assuming that the slot 4 was very tough, it will not matter because he is competing with people in the same slot. Also here since 3 people have got second rank, so all 3 of them will get the same percentile, which is 99.87. Now if you rank them, so you will look at the first rankers will be A1, B1, C1, D1. All the first rankers of each slot will be rank 1. Rank 2 out here now will be 99.87, which is B2, C2, D2, D3 and D4. So the first slot will be 1 to 4th rank will be 5th to 9th rank will be B2, C2. 10th rank will be A2. 99.86, 99.74 will be 11th rank onwards, 11 to 14, which is B3, C3, B3, B4, C3, C4. 15th rank will be A4 and so on. So you will have a fair idea as to how the percentiles are calculated. So first 4th rank will be 100 percentile, 5th to 9 will be 99.87 percentile, then 99.86 percentile, 99.74, 99.73 and so on. So this is how the percentiles are calculated. To give you a fair understanding as to how percentiles are for different slots and different things. So your percentile will basically depend upon your rank and not your marks. So what is your rank in your slot and the number of students writing the test. it doesn't depend upon the marks as such. So your number of wrong questions will be same for all the students in one single slot. So it will not matter so much when calculating the equipercentile method. So net, if you use a formula for a person with 755 students and rank 6, the percentile will be 99.33 percentile. Obviously, number of students are much higher than this. So difference in percentile between the slots may not be so much for the same rank people. Okay. Also for 6 rankers, the percentile will be much higher than the given 99.33. So this is what is used in the IBPS exam and is expected to be similar method to be used in the CET. Understand this, you are competing with only students from your slots and not from other slots for percentile. So basically a student's percentile will basically depend upon his rank in his slot and the number of students in his slot. So you don't have to worry about someone else's paper being easier than yours or tougher than yours. Okay. Also you don't have to worry about how many wrong questions were in some other slot as compared to your slot. I hope this clears some of the cobwebs with regards to equipercentile method. Yeah, thank you.